Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 10, assemble. American pronunciation, assemble. A-sem-ble. Assemble. British pronunciation,
Assemble. A-sem-ble. Assemble.
meaning. Assemble means to gather in one place or to put the parts of something together. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are assemble the data and assemble the pieces. Example sentence, assemble, verb, I will send you the report after I have assembled the data. The variations of assemble in academic writing that you need to know are assembly, noun. The manager of the assembly plant has a difficult job. And reassemble, verb. We reassembled the code after making the revisions. Now you can use assemble confidently in your research. Please click like and subscribe below, and I will see you in another video. Bye!